Good afternoon, everyone. This is Prabhu Aditya from Tamil Nadu, India. I am into blockchain cryptocurrency trading and mining since 7 years. I am specialized in trading Bitcoin and mining the cryptocurrencies. And I teach basic blockchain functional cryptocurrency mining and trading, and I am the part-time lecturer for the MSME Institute from India. So more than 1,200 plus students have learned the blockchain cryptocurrency mining and trading through me. I am conducting Zoom meeting too. I am going to upload this audio because we analyzed the Bitcoin price movements through astrology. Since 1 month, me and my Guruji analyzed the Bitcoin price exactly according to the planet position through tradingview.com, which is platform of US market from Monday to Friday. And we could able to predict the hours, which hours, the particular hours it will be neutral, which particular hours it will be volatile, which hour it will be bullish, which hour it will be bearish, and all those analyze which we predicted exactly achieved 90 to 95% of our target. So right from Monday, that is 29 June, we plan to live stream in YouTube. If you want, just subscribe my channel, and the live stream will be starting from 29. This is not a financial advice, please note. And we took all the effort to come across to see the position of the Bitcoin price. The beauty of our prediction is we give the targets. You can short trade it. We can say which exact amount of USD the Bitcoin will reach, and for the particular trade, that is intraday trading, and the bearish part, to which low level it will reach the target, that also we are predicting. And we are pinning the target for the weekend closing, that is Friday US market time. And hope you will all hope you will all be watching my live stream right from Monday onwards. Thank you, and we will see on Monday. Bye.